हेलो किड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में आपको ABCD A to Z रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग सिखाऊंगा। ओके, इसलिए आप वीडियो ध्यान से देखिएगा। वाओ। A for ant, A for ant. B for banana, B for banana. C for cow, C for cow. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. U for orange, U for orange. P for pen, P for pen. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rat. S for sister, S for sister. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for vegetables, V for vegetables. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.